The next competitive fixtures will be the Nations League, and as captain, it's something I asked Nathan Collins about yesterday. It's about the fact that there's a lot of strong feeling about not playing Israel under the current circumstances. Do you think it's fair that the players get dragged into this, to have to be asked their opinion?
No, it should have never came down to the players. This should have been dealt with long before it comes down to us getting asked questions about it. So I think it's very difficult for the players to, and especially, you know, the younger players, in my opinion, to be asked about it. You know, we live in a world now where the young lads are in England, and you know, they've got their own stuff going on. That's not to say that they're not aware of what's going on, but it's a different time, and I think for players like me, a bit older, you know, it's important that we get asked these questions. And it should never have come to the players. Absolutely not.
If a player though has a moral objection to playing, would you support the player in that aspect?
Absolutely. Like I talked to you there about a couple of seconds ago about what our football nation does to the people. We're representations of our people, and you know, it's strong, the opinion of the Irish people, and we're a representation of the Irish people as well. So it's a very uncomfortable position for us to be in. But Tony, I'm sitting here across from you as a dad, as a son, as a husband, as a brother, and I've grown up knowing what's right and wrong. So a very difficult position that it should never have been came to us. But listen, we're like yourselves. Everyone's got a heart.